Needing no manual pumping, the Chapin 63985 4-gallon backpack sprayer delivers up to 1 hour and 45 minutes of continuous spraying, or up to 50 total gallons, with each charge of the Black & Decker 20-volt rechargeable battery. The wide mouth opening provides for easy filling and easy access for cleaning the 3D filter. The oversized strainer basket ensures an uncontaminated mixture. Includes 3 easy-to-change nozzles. Both the brass and polycone nozzles can be adjusted from a wide mist for tasks such as watering hard-to-reach plants, to a needle-like stream which can reach up to 25 feet high. The polyfan nozzle is ideal for coverage of large areas.
I'm Phil Dwyer, turfgrass scientist with the Scotts Company. Feeding your lawn regularly is one of the most important things you can do to have a greener, healthier lawn. And fortunately, applying lawn food is really quick and easy. Let me show you how to do it with our Scotts Turf Builder EdgeGuard Deluxe Broadcast Spreader. First, adjust your spreader setting to apply the right amount as indicated on the back of the package for broadcast spreaders. Now fill the hopper. You'll want to start your application with the Scotts patented EdgeGuard turned on. The EdgeGuard directs product where you want it and away from your landscaping, sidewalks, or driveways. Walking at a steady pace, apply a header strip counterclockwise around the outside edge of your lawn. Then turn off the EdgeGuard and apply going back and forth inside the header strip in the longest direction of your lawn. When starting each row, the spreader should be placed in motion in this header strip and then turned on by holding the hand lever. Release the hand lever to stop applying when you reach the header strip at the end of each row. This prevents too much product from falling in one spot of your lawn. Unlike when you mow your lawn, make sure to line up each pass approximately 5 feet from the previous wheel track. This will ensure your lawn is getting the right amount of food and save you time. When you're done, pour any remaining product back into the bag. Now you're finished and your family can go back on the lawn immediately, unless your lawn food also included weed or bug control. If your product does include weed or bug control, please wait the recommended time before re-entering your lawn.
Dealing with unreliable watering products. You've probably gotten used to tangled hoses, burst fittings, and drenched clothes. We felt your frustration, and that's why we've set out to create a solution that brings watering back to its basics, the way it should be. Introducing HoseLink's retractable hose reel, the perfect partner for you and your garden, no matter the size or shape. Fully equipped with their own wall bracket, premium 7-function spray gun, 2-meter leader hose, and our reliable no-burst fittings. Our retractable reels come in a range of sizes with a 15, 20, 25 or 30-meter pre-fitted hose, as well as our special 25-meter high-flow reel. Now, the great thing about the high-flow reel is that you get the convenience of a standard hose reel and better water pressure. The reel's wider internal hose diameter means that you get more volume as you water, which is perfect if you struggle with low water pressure. HoseLink's retractable reels have been specifically designed to take away the mess and clutter that you've grown accustomed to with traditional watering. To put the reel in action, ensure that the leader hose is connected to your nearest tap connection. First, screw the tap connector into your tap. To connect the hose to the tap, line up the white lugs and use a point and twist action. Next, screw the accessory swivel connector into the spray gun before connecting it to the end of the hose using the same point and twist action. Now that you're ready to water, pull the hose out to the desired length, pause briefly, and the specially designed locking mechanism will secure the hose in place. Remember to pull the flow control lever to ensure it's on. This allows you to control the water's flow rate and makes it easy to stop and switch accessories without going back to the tap. The mounting bracket allows the reel to pivot 180 degrees, meaning wherever you go, the hose follows without a fuss. When you're finished, gently tug the hose, and as you guide it back in, the reel's automatic rewind system retracts the hose, whilst its self-layering mechanism evenly distributes the hose over the drum when retracting, meaning a smooth experience with all the work done for you. The way watering should be. The hose reel's even got convenient handles if you wish to move or store it, as well as plugs that stop insects from nesting in its screw holes. For the best all-in-one watering solution, look no further than HoseLink's retractable hose reel, bringing you back in control of your garden.
Hi, I'm Nate, and today I'd like to talk about our Leonard all-steel spades. Our Leonard all-steel spades remain a tried and true favorite among professional landscapers, growers, and maintenance workers across the country. Made of strong alloy steel, these heat-treated blades offer great tensile strength and are outfitted with turn steps which easily accept our AMFP rubber foot pads for even more comfort. Flat back design reduces soil buildup, and the steeply tapered blade edge makes short work of roots and stubborn soil and can be sharpened for even greater cutting ability. Fully welded D-grip is perfectly designed for comfort even with gloved hands. 4 models to choose from, all steel from top to bottom, and all covered by a lifetime warranty. Call or order online today.
A.M. Leonard, experience what thousands of other horticultural professionals already know. Great tools, great service, great value.
5-in-1 landscape plugger from Pro Plugger. The unique design and adapter plates included with the 5-in-1 make it a versatile planting and transplanting tool to handle many of your lawn and garden needs. Planting your favorite bulbs has never been easier. No more bending over and struggling to dig holes the old way. Quickly and easily dig the right size hole for each variety of bulbs, from hyacinth to daffodils. Adapter plates included with your 5-in-1 allow you to create just the right depth of planting holes, from 2-inch, 4-inch, and even 6-inch deep holes. Varieties of bedding plants are planted throughout the growing season, and the 5-in-1 can make planting your favorite flowers a snap. Step, twist, and pull, and you're ready to plant. Let the 5-in-1 plugger help you create a beautiful lawn without the high cost of sodding or the hard work of seeding from scratch. Repair damaged areas and bare spots by transplanting healthy lawn plugs harvested from your own yard. It turns your lawn into your very own sod farm. As you pull plugs, they get stored or stacked inside the tool, and when you're ready to empty the plugs, simply turn the plugger upside down. Use the 5-in-1 to build a brand new lawn by cutting your own plugs from pieces of sod that you've purchased. Create a beautiful border edge for your lawn or a winding garden path with the 5-in-1. Lay out perfect planting holes in a straight line or a nice winding curve. Whether you're fighting dandelions, wild onions, broadleaf dock, or thistles, the Pro Plugger helps eliminate all of these hard-to-kill weeds by getting to the root of the problem, quickly plugging out the entire weed, stem, bulb, roots, and all. A lawn plugger, a bulb planting tool, a border planter, a weeding tool, and a bedding planter. The new all-steel constructed 5-in-1 landscape plugger from Pro Plugger. Made in America, made to last.